So what they've tried to do with this X2 Pro is they have increased the surface area here of this where it connects to the gas canister. They've made a larger gas control handle, and the reason they've done this is they've put less pressure on the O-ring, and therefore you don't have as much leakage and you have more efficiency. So that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to remove as much plastic as possible. So you've got more metal here instead of plastic, and from the previous model. They've also taken the plastic off of the handle here, and in an effort to reduce the amount of plastic. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get set up to boil and time a ½ liter of water. Now they say it is the official time, boil time, based on conditions of course, is 1 minute 42 seconds to boil ½ liter of water. So we're going to put that to the test. Okay, so I do want to make a comment before I start this, is that when I connected the gas canister to the stove, normally when you do that, you have a little bit that leaks out. You have a little psst that pops out. When I did it with this one, no leakage at all. It went in there smoothly. It seats nicely. So that is an advantage. So just wanted to make that comment. So let's see what we got here. Let's get this thing going. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but I've got it to half a liter of water. It's got graduated marks. Here's the 1 liter mark, and so I went down to the ½ liter mark. So that is all scientific. We're going to then get this thing boiling, and I'm going to time it. Okay, so I do want to make a comment before I start this, is that when I connected the gas canister to the stove, normally when you do that, you have a little bit that leaks out. You have a little psst that pops out. When I did it with this one, no leakage at all. It went in there smoothly. It seats nicely. So that is an advantage. So just wanted to make that comment. So let's see what we got here. Let's get this thing going. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and spark this up. I'm gonna turn on the gas, start the timer, put on the lid, and we will come back when it's actually boiling. We're at a minute 50, and it's very close. I wouldn't say rolling boil. Here we go. Let's call that 2 minutes. Yeah, we'll call it 2 minutes. So 2 minutes at this altitude, which is not very high. Not bad. Okay, one of the other things I wanted to show, I didn't get to show when I was out on my trip, is you can nest a 230 gram canister inside the X2 Pro, and everything will fit nicely in. It's a self-contained unit. Even the pot stand will fit in here, and you can put the lid on and you can close it up. There you go. Everything fits, and then put it back in the bag. So I just want to make sure to mention that this will all lock together very nicely. There you go. I also like this locking mechanism they have. I always have. So next I want to just give you my opinion on what they're trying to do here and what I think they should do. 3, 2. Okay, I'm going to give you my opinion on the changes that they've made, and from the original X2 to call this an X2 Pro. I like the fact that you don't waste gas anymore. I like the fact that you have the larger turning handle for the gas. Love that. I love all the plastic that's been removed on the cooker. Here's where I think They just, and I've told them this, by the way, I'm not telling you guys anything I wouldn't have told them already. On the handle, I know where they're going with this, and I know they want a more professional and more, you know, pro look. I would say it's okay to remove the plastic from the handle, replace it with silicone. Replace it with silicone so that it doesn't feel, because right now when you're pouring with this, it doesn't feel like a pro model upgrade. If you were to put 2 strips of silicone on the top and 2 on the bottom, and you get that nice grip feel so it doesn't slip out of your hand, the heat is dispersed a lot better coming off of the container. I think that would be a pro look. And you could make it black silicone so it's all nice, sleek like that. So that's my suggestion to Fire Maple. Beyond that, not much has changed, and I still love this platform, this cooking platform. In fact, I plan on using this one. I might even experiment with putting some silicone strips myself. So there you go. That is the Fire Maple X2 Pro. If you're interested in this, it's coming out soon. I think, in fact, in the next couple of days. But I just wanted to show it to you. I wanted to show it to you in action. I'm obviously not on my camping trip anymore, but I like it with a few exceptions. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, leave a like, and thanks for watching. Get out there and explore. We'll see you later. Peace.